Hello, this is Isabel Monzo, and for my 3D model, I actually chose to make a graphic design using my iPad and my Apple Pencil, as that was the supplies that I had on hand at the time. Here is the model that I created. It is 3D. I used some shading in the background to make it look more circular, as if the Earth was rounded a bit more. And I also added some lines right here to make it look like a piece of the Earth had been taken out to give it that 3D effect. I have all 10 labels here. We have first the crust, and then we have the inner core and the outer core. We have the mantle right here, and then we have the continental crust. I tried to show a point where the Earth is right here and you don't see any ocean, and that's where it meets the mantle. And then we have the oceanic crust right here. So this is a body of water right here, and I just pointed it to where the mantle would meet the water. And then we have the lithosphere, which is this brown line that's right here. So that would be the upper part of the mantle. And then we have the asthenosphere here, which would be the lower part of the mantle. Then we have the convection currents, and I drew little arrows going different ways to show the currents in the mantle. And then we have the ice cap on the North Pole and the ice cap on the South Pole. Below I have a description key with the temperatures, the thickness of each part of the Earth, and also what the different parts of the Earth, or the materials of the Earth, are made of. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.